Welcome to our latest travel adventure. Today, join us on a journey across Europe exploring the 15 must-visit places. From Paris to Rome, Iceland's northern lights to Greece's beaches, we've got something for every traveler. Dive into hidden gems, popular landmarks, and off-the-beaten-path destinations inspiring your next travel plans. Paris, France. Known as the City of Light, Paris, the charming capital of France, is globally celebrated for its exquisite art, world-class fashion, delectable gastronomy, and rich cultural heritage that spans centuries. When visitors stroll through the enchanting streets, they are captivated not only by the iconic Eiffel Tower, standing majestically against the sky, but also by the opulent Louvre Museum, home to countless masterpieces that tell stories of bygone eras. The historic Notre Dame Cathedral, with its intricate Gothic architecture, stands as a testament to the city's enduring beauty and resilience, inviting travelers to explore its sacred halls and bask in its historical significance. Paris truly encapsulates an unparalleled allure that beckons explorers to uncover the depths of its magic and immerse themselves in its timeless elegance. Rome, Italy. Steeped in thousands of years of rich history, Rome, the Eternal City, boasts iconic landmarks like the majestic Colosseum, the ancient ruins of the Roman Forum, and the spiritual center of Vatican City. These historical treasures create a paradise for avid history enthusiasts and lovers of ancient civilizations. The layers of time, architecture, and culture intertwine in this historic city, offering a mesmerizing journey through the marvels of the past. Wander through the cobblestone streets, where every corner tells a story of emperors, gladiators, and artists who once roamed these ancient grounds. Experience the essence of Rome, where history comes to life with each step you take. Barcelona, Spain. Famous for its unique architecture by the renowned Antoni Gaudí, Barcelona offers a delightful tapestry of experiences. Explore the vibrant street life, immerse yourself in bustling markets, sip coffee at lively cafes, and enjoy the talent of street performers. The culinary scene is a harmonious blend of traditional and modern flavors, tantalizing your taste buds with every bite. When in Barcelona, don't miss the awe-inspiring Sagrada Familia, a masterpiece still in progress, and wander through the whimsical Park Güell, a colorful, mosaic-filled park that transports you to a world of artistic wonder and enchantment. Amsterdam, Netherlands. Renowned for its rich artistic heritage, Amsterdam boasts an elaborate canal system intertwined with a vibrant cycling culture. The picturesque canals, lined with historic houses and vibrant flowers, create a charming atmosphere for visitors to enjoy. In addition to the iconic Anne Frank House and the Van Gogh Museum, art enthusiasts can also wander through the Rijksmuseum to marvel at famous works by Rembrandt and Vermeer. With its blend of history, art, and scenic beauty, Amsterdam offers a unique cultural experience that captivates travelers from around the world. Prague, Czech Republic, offers a fairy tale setting with its well-preserved medieval architecture, the iconic Prague Castle standing majestically atop the hill, and the picturesque Charles Bridge connecting the old town to the charming lesser town. Stroll through the cobblestone streets lined with colorful buildings, savor the aroma of traditional Czech cuisine wafting from local eateries, and listen to the melodies of street musicians echoing through the narrow alleys. Experience the enchanting beauty of Prague's historical landmarks, immerse yourself in its rich cultural heritage, and create unforgettable memories in this magical city. Santorini, Greece. Known for its stunning sunsets painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple, casting a mesmerizing glow over the serene, whitewashed buildings that gleam under the Mediterranean sun and crystal-clear waters gently lapping the shore, this enchanting destination effortlessly captures the essence of romance and relaxation. It beckons couples seeking a tranquil escape to immerse themselves in its serene beauty and embrace the peaceful ambiance that defines this oasis of serenity. Iceland offers a mesmerizing array of natural wonders, from the enchanting spectacle of the aurora borealis, northern lights, painting the night sky with vibrant colors, to the soothing embrace of geothermal hot springs, providing a natural oasis of relaxation and rejuvenation. Furthermore, the awe-inspiring beauty of dramatic waterfalls cascading down rugged cliffs captivates visitors with its sheer power and breathtaking display of nature's grandeur. London, England. A cosmopolitan city, London boasts iconic landmarks like the world-renowned British Museum, home to a vast collection of art and artifacts that offer a glimpse into centuries of history and culture. Buckingham Palace stands as the majestic official residence of the UK monarch, steeped in tradition and grandeur. The Tower of London, a historic marvel, has served diverse roles over time, functioning as a royal palace, formidable fortress, and even a notorious prison, each layer adding to its intriguing narrative. Together, these landmarks weave a tapestry of historical and cultural significance that defines the vibrant essence of this remarkable city. Venice, Italy, famed for its intricate network of canals, stunning Gothic architecture, and priceless Venetian artworks, Venice offers a unique blend of history, beauty, and culture. The city's rich history is evident in every corner, from the iconic St. Mark's Basilica to the vibrant Rialto Market. A gondola ride through the picturesque waterways is not just a simple activity, it's a quintessential Venetian experience that immerses you in the romantic charm of this enchanting city. The sound of the gondoliers singing traditional songs, the sight of historic palaces lining the canals, and the aroma of delicious Italian cuisine wafting through the air all contribute to the magical atmosphere of Venice. Whether you're exploring the hidden alleyways or indulging in a traditional Venetian meal, every moment in Venice is filled with wonder and discovery. Edinburgh, Scotland, known for its rich tapestry of historic and cultural attractions, Edinburgh, the capital of Scotland, offers a blend of ancient history and modern vibrancy. The city showcases iconic landmarks like the majestic Edinburgh Castle, the regal Holyrood Palace, once home to Scottish royalty, and the lively annual Fringe Festival, a globally renowned celebration of arts and culture that draws in artists and spectators worldwide. Edinburgh's charming cobbled streets, stunning architecture, and picturesque gardens provide a delightful backdrop for exploring its diverse offerings, making it a must-visit destination for those seeking a blend of tradition and innovation. Berlin, Germany. A city rich in history, arts, and vibrant nightlife, Berlin offers a captivating blend of cultural experiences. Visitors can immerse themselves in the diverse art scene, with galleries showcasing modern and classical works. The culinary landscape is equally enticing, with a myriad of cafes and restaurants offering both traditional German dishes and international cuisine. Don't miss the opportunity to stroll through the picturesque parks and gardens, adding a touch of tranquility to your Berlin adventure. Explore beyond the iconic landmarks to discover hidden gems that further enrich the city's unique charm and character. Dubrovnik, Croatia. Dubrovnik, famously referred to as the Pearl of the Adriatic, is a mesmerizing destination steeped in history and charm. Enclosed by ancient city walls that have stood tall through centuries, this enchanting city provides a unique window into its illustrious past. The breathtaking vistas of the crystal-clear Adriatic coastline, with its azure waters sparkling in the sunlight, offer a picturesque backdrop for history buffs eager to delve into the bygone eras and beach enthusiasts seeking serenity amidst the scenic shores. Whether you're captivated by historical tales or drawn to the tranquil beauty of the coast, Dubrovnik promises an unforgettable experience that blends the allure of the past with the serenity of the present. Vienna, Austria. Renowned for its rich artistic and intellectual heritage, Vienna, the capital city of Austria, has been profoundly influenced by iconic figures such as Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, Ludwig van Beethoven, and Sigmund Freud. The opulent palaces of Schönbrunn and Belvedere, with their intricate Baroque architecture and vast gardens, stand as shining examples of the city's grandeur, offering visitors a glimpse into its illustrious past and the lavish lifestyle of the Habsburg monarchy that once ruled over the city. A stroll through the historic streets of Vienna reveals a blend of classical and modern influences, creating a unique charm that continues to captivate travelers from around the globe. Reykjavik, Iceland. Not only is Reykjavik the gateway to Iceland's geological wonders, known for its stunning geysers, volcanic landscapes, and majestic waterfalls, but it also serves as a vibrant hub for cultural exploration. Visitors can delve into Icelandic history at the National Museum, showcasing artifacts from the Viking era, and the Saga Museums, where tales of ancient Nordic sagas come to life. After a day of exploration, immerse yourself in the city's eclectic dining scene, featuring trendy cafes serving freshly baked pastries, cozy eateries offering traditional Icelandic dishes like hearty lamb stew, and lively bars where you can sip on local craft beers while listening to Icelandic music, providing a true taste of the island's flavors and traditions. Budapest, Hungary. Admired for its picturesque setting along the meandering Danube River, Budapest entices visitors with its architectural wonders, charming cobblestone streets, and invigorating thermal baths. This vibrant city seamlessly blends a rich historical tapestry with modernity, offering a plethora of experiences for the curious traveler. From the iconic Parliament building, a symbol of Hungary's democracy, to the majestic Buda Castle perched atop Castle Hill, every corner of Budapest exudes an enchanting allure that beckons exploration. Wander through the bustling markets, savor traditional Hungarian cuisine, and immerse yourself in the cultural delights that make Budapest a truly captivating destination for all who visit. Each of these destinations offers a unique blend of cultural riches, stunning landscapes, and historical depth, making them among the best places to explore in Europe. Whether you're drawn to the romantic allure of Paris, the ancient ruins of Rome, or the scenic beauty of Iceland, Europe's diversity caters to every interest and wanderlust. If you've enjoyed this scenic tour through Europe's most captivating destinations, show your support by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more awe-inspiring content that will fuel your wanderlust and guide you through the world's most exquisite places.